Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. So today, today it is a beautiful Thursday. We are in the salon today. We have a lot going on. Our salon is clean, it's just not organized, okay? It's not organized. We have to wash makeup brushes. We got a new little storage thing for our hair kit. We have to organize that. We have a wedding this weekend, so we have a lot to do. I need a little bit of organization this morning, but the first thing we're gonna do is wash all of our brushes because that'll then give us enough time for them to dry up and repackage and do all that, okay? So I'm glad you guys are back. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Bye, guys. Okay. So we're just gonna put a towel here. We have our bag. Have our mirror. Trusty dusty mirror. We have our makeup sets. Now, these all have clean brushes in them. Once I use them, for example, this is what my kits look like. So I technically have 2 ready for this weekend. I have 4 clients. So we're going to fill these up and wash the brushes, let those dry, and I have more clean brushes that I can film them up with. So yeah. So we're going to keep this aside. Go wash those brushes. Feeling a little lazy, so I'm gonna do this sitting down.
5-star suits.
Okay, so I'm going to let these dry here. Once they are dried, I am going to alcohol spray them down, and then we are going to then pack them up in a Ziploc so we have them ready for the next wedding. Okay, I love to have tons of backups just for the simple fact of, let's say we're double booked, we have weddings back to back. And what if, you don't really have time to wash the makeup brushes? So I have that big old Ziploc bag back there of brushes, and they are all Real Techniques, Jessup, Eco Sanctuary, I think, Blender Brush, e.l.f., BH Cosmetics. I've accumulated them from TJ Maxx, Target, Burlington, Ross, TikTok shop, or you know how to use the brushes, you're gonna be fine. I personally don't think you need an expensive brush kit. I have expensive brushes in my own collection just because I want it to splurge, I guess, but it's really not necessary. So let's get into boxing up these makeup boxes. So these are our big old bag of extra supplies, extra brushes. This is my brush kit that I carry with me every time I go to a wedding. My alcohol spray bottle. Okay, so I never put dirty brushes in these containers when I am working on my clients. I have this expanded trash bag that I carry, and if I use a lip liner, I put it in here. If I use tweezers, I throw it in here. If I use a sponge, I throw it in here once I'm done. I don't put anything dirty back into these containers. I just don't. I'm just trying to keep the things as clean and hygienic as possible. If I have 4 clients for the day, I take 5. If I have 5 clients, I take 6. so on and so forth, because you never know. Let's say you drop a brush, you have that backup. I always keep the Cinema Secrets quick wash spray with me, but then again, you never know. So we have our coffee in our Mama Bear mug. I got this at Target. I love these. I'm not sure how much water I'm supposed to be drinking, but my goal is 3 full of these, so that's like 40 ounces for 120 ounces a day. I try, because then if I don't, I wake up with migraines, and we don't need to be a mom with a migraine. We don't. And these are individually wrapped as well, and I just put one in each as well. Super old table. We're just going to. These are good ones, not been touched. These brushes in here have not been touched. Just these down. I have these little sponges, and I have 2 in each. Don't really like how that one's looking, so we're gonna trash that one. We're gonna do 2 in each. These are all of our clean brushes. I know there's a lot of them, but you know, better safe than sorry. That's, you know. So we are going to build our individual client kits for this weekend. 2, 1. Guys, I am in my 2nd trimester and I'm thirsty all the time, so